Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel TryWaySoft, and in today's video I'm going to show you the simplest way of renaming and changing app icons on your Windows Start menu. So for example, here I have Word and I want to rename it to something like Word 2022, and I want to change this icon. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this, open file location. So once I'm located here, I'm going to right click on this again. Now I'm going to rename it. So as I said, I'm going to rename this to something like Word 2022. So okay, now we've successfully renamed it, as you can see here. So now let's change the app icon. So same thing, right click again. Now let's go to properties. Now change icon. As you can see, we have a list of icons that you can choose from over here, but if you have an external icon that you want to put, you can simply go to browse here. But as for now, I don't have the icon, so I'm going to choose from the list that I'm given. So from this list I'm going to choose okay, let's go with this one. Okay, so apply, continue. Okay, so guys, that's it. We've successfully renamed and changed our app icon, as you can see over here. So guys, that's it for today's video. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.